Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 10 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we will now show you the tool trolley TW07. The tool trolley TW07 is available in the MTL model and the filled G model. The trolley has a total of 7 drawers with ball bearings. All drawers are 53 cm wide and 40 cm long on the inside. The bottom drawer has a depth of 20 cm. The second lowest drawer has a depth of 13 and the 5 upper drawers have a depth of 6 cm each. All drawers are 100% extendable. The tool trolley can be ordered empty or filled. The filled model has 4 drawers filled with common tools. Included tools are, for example, sockets, Allen keys, Torx keys from T8 to T70, spanners and 3 versions from 6mm to 32mm, screwdrivers, pliers, hammers and more. The trolley has a total height of 97 cm and on its top it has a deepened storage area and 3 narrow compartments for storing small parts. The trolley can be equipped with a waste container, can holder, paper roll holder, and an additional lockable cabinet. Additionally, you can equip your TWIN BUSCH tool trolley according to your needs with tool sets for electrical work, special pliers and wrenches, as well as spare toolbox inlays and drawer dividers. The dividers are available for the flat drawers and for the middle depth drawers.